If you have been wondering where can you find and watch animes completely free from your Android or iPhone or generally any mobile device, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just follow carefully with me and let's start for the first method. First, go ahead and open your browser and search for Crunchyroll in the Google search bar right there. So go ahead and open the first website that pops up. From this website, once it fully loads up, just go ahead and find the anime that you want to watch. It's literally as easy as that. Just scroll down. You can even search by tapping the search icon in the top right corner, or just choose anyone from here, just tap on it and wait for the ads to be completed. Basically, you need to wait for the ads to load up first and then wait for them to be completed. Might give you one ad, sometimes two, depends on your luck. So just go ahead and wait for the ads to load up, and that is basically how they allow you to watch it for free. They make money from the ads and you get to watch it for free, which is a win-win if you ask me. So after watching the ad, you can finally get the anime that you want to watch, and as you can see here, it's playing completely free with basically just watching maybe 50 seconds or 30 seconds of ads. It's a win-win, as I said. And that is the first one. The second one, you go to Google and again Google Funimation, this one right there. From the results, again, open the first website that loads up, and it's basically very similar to Crunchyroll. Just choose the anime that you want to watch from here, tap on it, wait for the website or the page to fully load up, just like that. Again, from here, tap on start watching, and you'll be watching the anime as easy as that. Another one you can try is go to tubitv.com. Open the first website right here, tap on start watching, this orange button at the middle of the screen, and then from here tap on the three lines in the top left corner and scroll down and tap on anime to filter out animes, because this website has movies and shows and all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and filter out animes and tap on the one that you want to watch and tap on watch and wait for it to load up after the ads. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel, and of course leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. Thank you very much for watching.